Kasabayan nga na simangko malbolay nga.
Yeah, may I request you to just come forward here,
Yes,
so that we can, declare, we can shout and declare that yes, even in athiabari, we have people, Garo brothers and sisters, and also some of our Kasi brothers and sisters who are here to give the support, to lend the support, to revive, to restore, and to transform district council and to govern with God principle in this council. This is what we need in our state right now, my dear brothers and sisters. We need God's principle in our state, in our district council, and even in our life. We need, our life to be revived. We need our life to be restored. We need our life to be transformed. And this is where we can begin. This is where we're going to start. To see a Meghalaya that is revived, to see Meghalaya that is transformed, and to see Meghalaya that is being restored to where God wants us to be. And we can all play a role. We can all be part of this journey, a new journey of politics in the state of Meghalaya. And thank you so much once again for listening to us. And may I request once again, those at the back also, come here, it will look good. We come as one to declare that yes, we are with VPP and we were going to support VPP even in this MDC election. So, somebody, maybe can you come forward, please?
Kisah itu barang kasabai, yara anjing di district council ko anjing tentang macam tangca plani, tentang ongani, aro anjing tangcat plani na, tentang na, nangang kapag kalau anjing declare kana, aro anjing parak na nga, mana iso tungani kemensa, ba iso tungusa, yaku tak nakta mana.
Yes. So 3 times we're going to shout how prah, okay? 3 times we're going to shout how prah. As a mark to say yes, in my mind, my heart. And on the 21st, I'm going to press the button and vote, in the symbol of prah. Okay? 3 times. We'll raise our hands and say 3 times. How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
I think once more. The ladies there. Yes. How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
How prah!
Thank you so much. God bless you. And once again, I'm requesting from my side and from